Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of The Younger Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her, chapter 57. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Goosing father. Right now, it seems that he has a visitor. Visitor said Mr. Gu came to the office so late. When Mr. Gu went inside, he was surprised. Why am willing to go to work overtime here? Come in and play with me. Well, definitely this person was really getting tricky. Now, there's a girl waiting for her inside. With that look, well, who's the person who's waiting for Mr. Gu? Mr. Gu, she came. It's just 3 years that you're about to close down the company and you really have the ability. Mu Lei, person. It was Gu Xing's mother. Well, Mu, so this person is related to Mu Yang. Well, let's see. Mr. Gu said, get out, this is my company. It has nothing to do with you. Why did you came in? Gu Xing's father, he was really getting angry. He was screaming and said, who let her in? I'm going to fire him. Oh, Mr. Gu. He became impatient. Well, for now, it seems that Muyang's mother going to confront him. Maybe because she know what will happen to Gu Xing in a few days that she was driven out of the house. I'm not interested in your junkyard. Muyang's mother said to her father, I heard that you drove my daughter out of the home. So that's the reason. That's why Gusing's mother already came in. Maybe he got really furious about this. Well, Gusing custody rights are in my hands. I want to educate her. It has nothing to do with you. Gusing's father told her mother, give you this company. It is used to raise my precious daughter, not a woman who raises you. Since I can do it in one hand, I can also dismantle it for you. Gusing's mother, she was really warning her father. Now, it seems to be, she is getting serious about it. After hearing this, Gusing's father, you are the one who's attacking my company recently. Her father said to her mother, now, looking at her mother, you give my daughter back to me and I will give you a way to live. It's very simple. Well, it turns out Gusing, she looks like her mother. It's like the two of them are sister. To Muyang and Suli. Now, she got really surprised. Muyang surely can believe that Suli was working on the farm. She was holding a guitar and also singing. Why? Why is Suli here? There's a lot of things are bothering on Muyang, including this one. What Suli is doing here and the teacher Bai. It seems that the two of them are really closer to each other. Well, definitely. Well, Suli suddenly realizing that Muyang was looking at hers. Now, look at her. She seems to be looking like a funk. Well, definitely. She really don't want to come back on Muyang's side. Well, Muyang, she moved closer to Suli. Let's go home with me. Muyang said to Suli. Well, can Suli listen to her? Right now, she was only staring at her. It's a matter of mixing with them. Now, Suli, she covered up her mouth. Well, probably she don't want her to scream or talk too loud. Now, looking at Suli, since she was on the stage right now, she was covering her mouth. Probably she don't want her to scream. Looking at the ocean, she seems to see what's going on. Now, Suli, she grabbed Moya and hold her tightly. Now, looking at Suli, she seems to be using Moyang. I'm very happy that you came to join us. Just an alibi for Suli. Moyang, she was blushing. Her face, it's really turning red. Well, what's gonna happen? Suli is going to come back. This girl group, it seems to be amazing. Everyone is praising Suli. All of them are chanting their name. Ocean said and requested that to sing her one more time. But of course, everyone seems to be tired. Well, they really need to rest, especially for Suli. There's a lot of things also bothering her. Now, let's hope two of them are really close to each other again. Another member of the group seems to be rattled. Can I talk to you alone, Suli? Yang was asking her. Right now, it was Suli. She grabbed a cigarette and she was going. Light it off. Now, looking at her, she looks really serious. What to say? Sully said to Moyang. Now, she was blowing it on her face. But, Moyang, Sully, I let you free to let you go to the school, not like this. Not to let you sing with her. So it turns out she was really jealous about this. What capacity do you take care of me? Owner, I have never treated you as a servant, or a friend, a teacher. No, it is really so wide. Listen, Muyang. Sully was asking her. Now, it's a religion. But looking at Sully, it seems to be getting crazy. Since you don't need me, I'm not so chief that I run after you and will be clear between us. Chase your woman and inherit your family's business. Accepting your foreign speak has nothing to do with me. Yang, she suddenly paused after hearing this. Right now, looking at Muyang. And why did you do these things to me that night? So she was pertaining that night. That's why she is really blushing hard. Sully said to her, what are you expecting? Now, she's become tricky, right? Also, she did what I said. Yang said to herself, what I am expecting? Well, for her, she don't need to expect too much. But of course, it was really bad rain. After a while, Sully really leave her alone. Two of them separated ways. Well, for Maya, now, it really makes sense. Franca and Mengyan. Kuna, there are still two last drinks left. Well, Franca, suddenly she got surprised. Can't do it anymore. Kuna, are you too? Please drink. Now, with moderation, of course. Right now, she was buying a liters, and it really makes sense. Now, Gusing, she moved closer to Franca. You have to know that Mengyan has never taken the initiative. You have to know that Mengyan has never taken the initiative to find Muyang. Now, looking at Gusing, Gusing told her it was no problem. I can still lie to you when I'm drunk. Anyway, in the original plot, Moyang was locked up with Franca. Now, it really makes sense. Mengyan was there. She was scaring her. Fortunately, I pretended to be drunk. I also took the opportunity to ease the relationship between Mengyan and Franca. But, looking at Gusing at this moment, she's just only an average person. Well, of course, she's really getting tricky. Well, they went out. Young, she kept herself silence. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.